Welcome to Yachting Hub Miami, the yacht and boat spotter channel. Well guys, I hope you are liking this video from Haulover Inlet, but also I want to take this opportunity to let you know that I will be starting to do these short videos, as I see on my pages that people don't watch long videos anymore. So I'm gonna try to bring you at least 4 nice yachts in each video, and I won't be posting any fillers like the other channels do. So in these 4 minutes you're gonna see only nice yachts, and also I wanna let you know that it's important for you to leave a comment below on the videos so that I can continue bringing you all the yacht content that you like from Miami. I will start doing this and let's see how it goes. Please leave a comment below and let me know if this is something that you think it can work. The channel is not doing good, but I will try for a few more months to see. If I can get 50, 60 or 70 comments, then I know it's worth staying and continue. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.